In order to start the process of creating an animation, we will go to the data panel. And since we are going to be animating an assembly file, we will select the assembly file. In this particular instance, what you may want to do is if you have several versions of this, which you can see here it has like 13 versions in my situation. I want to start with, I want to click on that version number and start with the first or the earliest version of this. So I'll click on where it says show all the versions. And I want to open up like one of the earliest versions of this. And that may be because you have several different modifications that you have made. But I'm going to start with opening the first version of this. So that version shows up in the workspace. So this is going to be a design file, and what we want to do is activate the animation workspace. So we'll select where it says design and go to animation. And what you should see happen is there should be a storyboard with a timeline that is at the bottom of your screen. After you see the timeline show up at the bottom of your screen, you may consider closing the data panel. So I just click on the X here to close the data panel to provide more workspace.